Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really fun video and I'm going to be swatching and doing some nail art with Nails Inc.'s newest nail polish duo called Flock You. Anyways, let's get on into the video. The first polish in this duo is called Birds Before Boys, and this is a gorgeous pink polish with a bunch of gold shimmer. Here is the first coat of Birds Before Boys, and I was actually really impressed with how opaque this polish was and how easy it was to apply. On camera it does look completely opaque, and I think that's because of the light reflecting off of that gold shimmer. In person I can definitely still see my nail line, so I will be applying a second coat. Here is the second coat of Birds Before Boys. I love the gold shimmer in this polish, and I reached full opacity after 2 coats. So here is 2 coats of Birds Before Boys. The other polish in this duo is called Glamingo, and this is a beautiful bright neon pink cream polish. So here is the first coat of Glamingo, and wow, this polish is so opaque on that first coat, and as you saw, I didn't wear a white base underneath. This is just the polish, and it's pretty much flawless after that first coat. So I am going to apply a second coat of Glamingo just to see if the color deepens or anything, but it pretty much looks the same, so I would consider this polish a 1-coater. So here is 2 coats of Glamingo. And now into some nail art. I'm going to prep my nails with the Nails Inc. NAILKALE Superfood Base Coat, which is supposed to strengthen and brighten your nails. Next, I'm going to take a large dotting tool dipped in Nails Inc. Whiteout and make a few large dots near my free edge. Then I'm going to take a medium-sized dotting tool and make some smaller white dots near the middle of my nail. I'm going to repeat this step first with Glamingo and then with Birds Before Boys. The main idea is to start near your free edge with larger dots that cover basically your entire free edge, and as you work your way towards your cuticle, the dots will get smaller and more spaced apart. And I'm going to finish off my design using Nails Inc. 45-second top coat with Kensington Caviar. And here's the finished design using the Flock You duo from Nails Inc. Overall, I am in love with the Flock You duo. I love the way the gold shimmer in Birds Before Boys reflects the light, and Glamingo is hands down my favorite neon polish in my collection. Unlike most neon polishes I have, Glamingo is super opaque, doesn't need a white base, self-levels like a charm, and dries to a glossy finish. I would definitely recommend this duo, and you can find it on the Nails Inc. website or at Sephora. Anyways, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!